Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm here to walk you through the process of setting up Phison Pro for proxy and HTTP header settings. For more about VPN hidden secrets and tricks, please visit my blog. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is download and install Phison Pro. You can find this app on your mobile app store or directly from the web. Once you've got Phison Pro installed, go ahead and launch the app. You'll find yourself on the app's home screen. Now look for the options label on the screen and give it a tap to explore the app settings. Within the settings, locate and click on Proxy Settings to configure your proxy settings. In the Proxy Settings section, check the HTTP proxy box to enable proxy settings. If you'd like to use your system's network proxy, simply click the button next to it. For custom proxy settings, enter a valid proxy and port, such as 80. If your proxy requires authentication, don't forget to provide your username and password in the respective fields. If you wish to use custom headers, you can do so with custom proxy settings or your system's network settings. If you don't have a proxy, you can stick to the system network settings. To configure custom HTTP headers, click on Custom HTTP Headers. Use the settings provided and make sure to input a valid custom host in the header value section. If you'd like to dive deeper into HTTP headers, check out my detailed tutorial on Twitter, the link is provided below. Now go back to the main screen and tap on the Start button to establish your VPN connection. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Phison Pro for proxy and HTTP headers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.